Now, what is the personal reconnection? The personal reconnection is special procedure. It's very precise work. It is not a free form like reconective healing. It is once in a lifetime experience. It's about life progress. When we are ready to accelerate our spiritual evolution, release as soon as possible all the potentials we have chosen for this life, it's time for the personal reconnection. The goal is consciousness evolution of being at all levels. When we want to eliminate some illnesses or return to balance, we need to pass reconective healing. Personal reconnection does not serve to eliminate illnesses or some undesirable conditions. It has a higher purpose than just healing. Of course, through personal reconnection, people experiences healing, of course, because those are the same frequencies. A person needs to understand the process. It's personal choice and permission is needed here. Personal reconnection is alignment of three energetic systems. We activate points and connect the energy lines of our body with the ley lines of the earth, and reconnecting these grids to the universal grid in all dimensions. And personal reconnection can be done only in person, exclusively. Cannot be done at the distance. Personal reconnection is facilitated over 2 days, day after day, or maximum 72 hours between 2 sessions. If the period of 72 hours expires for some reason, we need to start the process of personal reconnection again from the beginning, from very beginning. Number 333 is a vibration of a personal reconnection. It presents the healing equation of God, love, or the universe, how we like to call it, the person being worked on, and the practitioner. In the same time, 333 is the number of ascended masters.